Welcome back, channel. We're gonna do a CV axle install today on a 04 WRX is what I'm working on. But the best way to go about it is kind of sit your CV axle up in there, kind of like something like this. I just all the way, or put it all the way in over here. Something like that. And then you're gonna go underneath and kind of line it up underneath first to put the roll pin in. Once you're underneath, you're going to line up the CV axle with the hole going through the shaft on the transmission, and then put the roll pin back in. Then grab a Phillips or a punch or something and give it a whack back in. I always do the bottom bolt, kind of easier to work with. And then make sure that you got your lines all lined back up over here, so you don't have to hopefully do an alignment. And then go ahead and crank it down. And then you can move on to the CV axle nut. There's that little notch right there that needs to be punched in. Go ahead and throw your brake line and sensor bolts back in. Reconnect them. And you're good to throw the tire on it. And that's how you install a CV axle. Thanks again for watching. And if you haven't yet, like and subscribe.